Welcome to this tutorial on Get-ADComputer. This PowerShell cmdlet is an essential tool for querying and managing computer accounts in Active Directory. Throughout this video, you'll learn how to search for computer objects, filter results based on specific criteria, and retrieve important information about computers in your domain. Get-ADComputer is a PowerShell cmdlet that allows you to retrieve computer objects from Active Directory. You can use it to query detailed information and properties about computer accounts in your domain. The cmdlet provides powerful filtering capabilities, enabling you to search for computers based on specific criteria such as operating system, location, or account status. This makes it invaluable for system administrators who need to audit, manage, or report on computer accounts. The most basic syntax for Get-ADComputer uses the identity parameter. You simply type Get-ADComputer, followed by the identity parameter, and then specify the computer name in quotes. For example, Get-ADComputer-identity followed by the computer name in quotes. This command retrieves the Active Directory object for that specific computer, returning basic information like its distinguished name, and object class. To retrieve all computer objects from Active Directory, you use the filter parameter with an asterisk. The asterisk acts as a wildcard that matches all computers. You can enhance this query by adding the properties parameter to specify which attributes you want to retrieve. For example, adding the properties parameter with name and operating system will return those specific properties for each computer. This is useful when you need a complete inventory of all computers in your domain. Get-ADComputer offers powerful filtering capabilities to narrow down your search results. You can find computers by operating system using the like operator with wildcards. For instance, filtering where operating system is like Windows 11 will return all Windows 11 computers. You can also filter by account status, such as finding only enabled computers using enabled equals true. Additionally, the search-based parameter lets you limit your search to a specific organizational unit, making queries faster and more targeted. There are several important properties you can retrieve with Get-ADComputer. The name property gives you the computer account name. DNS host name provides the fully qualified domain name of the computer. Operating system shows the operating system type and version installed on that machine. Last logon date tells you when the computer last authenticated to the domain, which is useful for identifying inactive computers. Finally, the enabled property indicates whether the computer account is active or disabled in Active Directory. For more sophisticated queries, you can use advanced filtering techniques. One common task is finding inactive computers that haven't logged on in a specified period. You can create a date variable using getDate and subtract 90 days, then filter for computers where last logon date is less than that date. You can also combine multiple conditions using logical operators like AND. For example, you can search for computers that are both enabled and running server operating systems by combining these conditions in a single filter. When working with Get-ADComputer, following best practices ensures optimal performance. Always specify properties explicitly rather than retrieving all properties, as this significantly improves query speed. Use the search-based parameter to limit the scope of your queries to specific organizational units, which reduces query time and network traffic. Avoid using filter asterisk on large Active Directory environments, as this can be slow and resource-intensive. Finally, consider exporting your results to CSV format for documentation, reporting, and further analysis. This makes it easier to share information with colleagues and maintain records of your Active Directory environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.